Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yoga Saputra. I'm from grade 13-7. Today, I will read the weekly report. In the 11th week, firework practice activities were carried out from 13 October to 17 October 2020 with working hours from 8 o'clock to 17 o'clock. On Monday, activities began with field sampling, then water content testing was carried out on 24 samples. TOC testing on 3rd sample and calorimeter testing on 21 sample. Tuesday began with a briefing followed by field sampling activity and water content testing on 11 samples. In addition, bomb calorimeter verification in 8 standard TOC testing on 1 sample and calorimeter testing on 5 samples. We were carried out. Data from the water content and calorimetry tester were also input on the day. Wednesday, activity include a briefing, field sampling, water content testing on 15 sample, TOC testing on 5 sample, and calorie testing on 14 sample. Tuesday activity include a briefing, field sampling, water content testing on water content testing on 12 sample and calorimeter testing on 9 sample. Data from the water content and calorimeter tests were input and summarized from the report. On Friday, activities began with morning exercise, followed by field sampling, water content testing on 6 samples, and calorimeter testing on 4 samples. The test results were then input and summarized throughout the week. Next, the 12th week report. In the 12th week, the internship activity were carried out from 20 October to 24 October 2022 and 2025 with working hours from 8 o'clock to 17 o'clock. On Monday, the activities began with a briefing followed by field sampling, moisture content testing on 11 samples, TOC testing on 2 samples, and calorimeter testing on 11 samples. The data from the moisture content and calorimeter tests were then entered in the system. Tuesday, activity started with a briefing, continue with field sampling, moisture content testing on 13 samples, TOC testing on 3 samples, and and calorimeter testing on 10 samples. The test data were recorded and sampling from EM 311 was also carried out. On Wednesday, the activities include a brewing, field sampling, moisture content testing on 6 samples, TOC testing on 2 samples, and calorimeter testing on 11 samples. Additionally, 2 sample price tests were performed and the test results were entered. Tour-day activities consisted of field sampling, moisture content testing on 15 samples, TOC testing on 4 samples, calorimeter testing on 8 samples, and 2 press sample tests. The result of the moisture content and calorimeter tests were recorded and summarized. On Friday, the day began with morning exercise followed by field sampling, moisture content testing on 11 samples, calorimeter testing on 5 samples, and 1 press sample test. That all conclude weekly report for me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.